I am loving my glow. I don't know if you can see this, guys. I'm loving my glow. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Sophie is my name if it's your first time on this channel, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, please, and click the notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I upload videos. Today I'm doing my winter glowy / dewy makeup look. So without wasting your time, as you can see, my face is clean, I'm moisturized, and I did everything. The brows are done, and I did everything that I was supposed to do. So right now, let's just move right into the video. And first up, today I'm using my Benefit Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow. So this is what I'm using as a foundation today. And to prime, because I'm aiming for that illuminating or that glowy look, I'll be using my I'll be using my Maybelline Master Prime Illuminating Primer. This one, I like it because it has micro pearls, which gives you that glowy look. So this is what I'll be using today. So let's just move right into the video. And I'm just going to do 2 pumps of the foundation, and I'm going in with my damp beauty sponge. And to conceal, I am going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in the shade 45. I'm not going to apply a lot of concealer. I'm going to use the same sponge. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline, let me close this, my Maybelline Master Fix, the Baking Brightening Loose Powder. I'm just going to apply a little bit so that I don't get a matte. I don't get a matte look because I'm aiming for a glowy, dewy look. And I am going to contour my face using my, if I will find it, using my Inglot HD Sculpting Powder 512. This is what I'll be using to contour the face. And I'm quickly going to contour the nose using the same HD Sculpting Powder, and I'm using this angled brush. And I'm going to blend this powder so that I don't get that harsh line. And I'm just dipping my brush inside that that powder so that I don't pick up a lot of product. So I'm going in with my all-time favorite, my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this shade, they call it S.B.N. I'm going to use S.B.N on my lid shade, and I'm going to mix a couple of the neutral shades just to have that bronzy look. And I'm quickly going to use my concealer. Okay, I'm moving on to the eyes. And I'm using the shade Butter. It's a transitioning shade. I'm using this shade. It's a transitioning shade. Oh, I forgot to show you. I'm mixing these two shades, which is Cheap and Mocha. I'm mixing Cheap and Mocha to deepen the outer V of the eye. And I'm using the same brush I was using to apply the transitioning shade. And I'm taking that transitioning shade just to blend, to kill that harsh line. And I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm going in with my detailer brush, the Real Techniques detailer brush, to apply the lid shade. And I'm just going to spread. I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. And apply my lid shade. And I'm going to take the brush, the same brush I was using, and just blend a little. And now I'm going in with my NYX crease brush. And I am going to use this shade, this illuminating or highlighting shade from my Stila Eye and Cheek palette to highlight the brow bone. For the under eye, I'm going to mix cheap and mocha just to deepen, to apply on the lower eye. And I'm using this pencil brush. I think this is a lip brush, but because I don't use a brush to apply my lipsticks or any lip product, I tend to use it for my under eye. And now it's time to put the eyelashes, and for the eyelashes I'm going to put my Adele Glamour eyelashes. This is the 101 Demi. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I'm reusing this. I've used them previously, so they are fairly new, so I'm going to reuse that. Okay, while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I am going to apply my gel eyeliner. This is the LA Girl Glide gel liner in the shade something limelight. I'm just going to apply this on the eye. Now that application is done, I am going to go in with my mascara for the lower eye, if I will find where I put my mascara. I'm going to prime my lower lashes. And I'm quickly going to blend in my lashes and the false lashes with this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I am going to apply my blush. I'm using the Jennifer Lopez Inglot collection, the J125 Charmed. That's what I'm going to put on my cheeks. And for my highlighter, okay, before I put the highlighter, I'm just going to spread a little bit of the MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus. Just so that I can set all those powders I was applying. I'm going for a highlighter. I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in the shade Bronze Glow. This is what I'm going to use. This is like my new favorite when it comes to highlighters. And I'm using my, what is this? The Body Shop fan brush. And for the lips, I am going to use my Estee Lauder 130 Strapless. I am going to line my lips using my almost finished the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. And so far, I would like to think I'm done with my look. I just need to put some Fix Plus to set everything. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and this is my winter glowy dewy look. Until my next video, have yourself a fabulous day. Bye.